Welcome to Baseline Driver Training Program. We are happy to have you in this environment here, and hopefully you will enjoy and you will learn a lot about yourself and the way you can improve. In this video I will talk about how can you calibrate your pedals, so how can you get the most out of this program here. You go in here after you open the program, you go to options, and when you go over, you mouse over, you can see out there is an explanation on what is gonna happen. You go to in here, you go to controls, and then you have the binding, axis binding for the throttle. Click and activate the throttle. Input inverse is when we're coming over to the next side. Then you will see if the throttle is going from top to bottom, you can click here and then it will go the other way around. So it depends on which the way your pedal is working. The same with the brake. Here, click and activate. When you have to start the program, it is for you, I will say, have a button on your steering wheel. I have chosen two buttons on my steering wheel, one to go in front and one to go back, so it's just working nicely. Go back again, you go to Calibrate, and up here I will see the throttle. You can see on the left side the throttle is going from bottom to top, and you can also see over here when I activate the throttle. When I hit the throttle, it's activated right away and going to 100. But if it isn't working correctly, click here on the hardware calibration, and now I'm activating the throttle right now and nothing is happening. It isn't working correctly. Click or unclick this one and then it will work again. You can have a little dead zone here, and also up here, if it isn't going to 100%, then you can just scroll a little down, so you can adjust this slider. The brake is the same, also here with the hardware calibration. You can also click it there, click or unclick it, and here maybe have a little dead zone here, because if you have your foot on the brake, then you will activate the brake a little. So have a little dead zone, and when you then activate the brake full, you can see I go 100%, so I can slide it here, but I can also here making this resistance, making it harder or softer, so I can adjust it this way around. I will say try something, try some solution, see what suits you, and if your pedal is not hard enough, go out in the software for your pedals and make a description there, and make it as hard as possible. I think that's, for me especially, the harder the better, but you can try something, try it out, but sometimes I will say, my experience will say, the harder it is, the better it will be for you. In here you can have bar, you can have kilo, or you can have percentage. It depends. It's up to you what you decide. So this here is calibrating your pedals, registrating your pedals, calibrate your pedals. You can go in here to graphic, to screen resolution, here full screen, windowed or borderless, and then the graphic quality. You can take that and then back again, and then also the audio you can up and down, or you can enable it. It's up to you. When you have done this, you go back again, and then you are ready to practice. And in the next video you can see I will explain much more about how you can use the baseline driver training to practice. Thank you for looking.